previous video you have learned about 6th problem to 10th problem. Now 11th problem. If y minus 1 by y whole cube equal to 27, then find the value of y cube minus 1 by y cube. For this, using this condition, we want to find this a cube minus b cube formula. Given y minus 1 by y whole cube equal to 27. For it is a cubic value. For cubic, how you remove this? We want to take a cube root. So take a cube root, that is y minus 1 by y equal to cube root of 27. So that is it. For we are taking a cube root, cube and cube root cancel. So y minus 1 by y. So that is equal to cube root of 27. Cube root of 20, it is a 3 cube value. So it is 3. So now y cube minus 1 by y cube we want to find. So a minus b whole, a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So a plus we have y, b plus we have 1 by y. We have to substitute. We get y minus 1 by y whole cube 27 already given plus y plus y, sorry, numerator y denominator y cancel. So 3 into 3. 27 plus 9, that is equal to 36. 12th question, simplify 2a plus 3b plus 4c into 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square minus 6ab minus 12bc minus 8ca. The second question, x minus 2y plus 3z into x square plus 4y square plus 9z square plus 2xy plus 6yz minus 3xz. We want to simplify this. We have the formula, the related formula we have to select, then we have to simplify. First you write the formula x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. It is a formula. First you write the formula, then the given question you have to compare the values, that is x place we have 2a, y place we have 3b, z place we have 4c. Suppose you have any one minus, you have to take with the minus symbol. So x value 2a, y value 3b, z value 4c. So you have to substitute in the formula. X is 2a, that is 2a whole cube, y is 3b, 3b whole cube, plus z is 4c, 4c whole cube, minus 3 into 2a into 3b into 4c. For 2a whole cube, it is a 2 cube into a cube. 2 cube value 8 a cube. So that is 3 cube into b cube. So 27 b cube. It is 4 cube into c cube. That is 64 c cube. Now you have to multiple 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 12, 12 into 4, sorry, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 4 is 72. Then a into b into c, that is a, b, c. This is the answer. 12th second problem. First you write the formula, the same formula, then the given question you have to write, then you have to compare the value, x value the same, y value minus 2y, z value 3z, x is x, y is minus 2y, z is 3z. Now write in the formula x cube plus 2y whole cube plus 3z whole cube minus 3 into x into minus 2y into 3z. So it is x cube minus 2 whole cube, that is minus 8y cube, 3z whole cube, that is 27z cube. Then you got to multiple 2 minus are there, it's become plus. So 3 2s are 6, 6 into 3, 18, x into y into z, that is xy z. 13th question, by using identity, evaluate the following. 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube. Second question, 1 plus 1 by 8 minus 27 by 8. We need to this form, so you have to make it as a cubic value. It is 1 plus 1 by 2 whole cube, 3 by 2 whole cube. For 13th first question, 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube. We have to simplify this. We know that means already I gave formula, this formula. X plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3 into xy z. So first you have to check the value 7 minus 10 plus 3. So it is, simplify this is 0. So we have to substitute this formula. Suppose it is not equal to 0, we won't use this formula. So first you have to check the x value plus y value plus z value become 0. Then we have to substitute this formula. So that is x value is 3 into x value is 7, x value is 7, y value is 10, that is a minus 10, z value is 3. So you have to multiple these 4 values, it is minus 630. or it is 1 plus 1 by 8 minus 27 by 8. It is in the form, first you write the formula, then it is written as 1 cube plus 1 by 2 whole cube minus 3 by 2 whole cube. So that is, we have to simplify this. It is 1 plus, for it is denominators are same, so minus 2 by 2, so that is minus 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So formula is suitable to substitute. So that is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So x is 1, y is 1 by 2, z is minus 3 by 2. So numerator value 3 3s are 9, minus 9, 2 2s are 4, minus 9 by 4. 14th question, if 2x minus 3y minus 4z equal to 0, then find 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 64z cube. Compare with the 13th problem. For here automatically question itself given sum of these three value equal to 0. So we want to find this. We know that x plus y plus z equal to 0. So we got to substitute this formula. For 8x cube, 27y cube minus 64z cube is written as 2x whole cube plus minus 3y whole cube plus minus 4z whole cube equal to 3 into xy z, 3 into x into y into z, x value 2x, y value minus 3y, z value minus 4z. You got to multiple the coefficient, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 4 it is 72, xy z, minus into minus plus.